Hey guys, Kyle Dwyer here, owner and broker of T&T Properties, coming to you from the Bryan-College Station area. And today we're going to be talking about how to use a vacant property to your advantage and what should be done with your investment when it's sitting vacant. Now, it's important to keep in mind when owning a rental property, it's an investment, and with investments, there are risks. Now, the biggest risk, of course, with investment properties is vacancy. Remember, vacancy is not a matter of if it'll happen, it's when. So if you keep that mindset and prepare for it appropriately, you'll never have anything to worry about. So what do you do when it happens? When a property is sitting vacant, it makes doing repairs and remodels so much easier. Take advantage of the fact that you don't have tenants in the unit, and you can do things normally when they're occupying the property. So does your investment have that original 1980s blue carpet? Well, now's the time to replace it with a modern, more durable flooring. How about resurfacing the countertops? That's a cheap but effective way to attract future tenants. Now, by doing these things, you're essentially preparing your property to be leased, and keep it leased. Think of it as a preparation fee rather than vacancy. Now, depending on what your investment needs, it can get costly, which is why having a great property manager that knows who to use can end up saving you thousands of dollars. A great property manager has relationships with multiple vendors that will give you the best bang for your buck with high quality workmanship. Given the way a property is marketed and timing, vacancy should be something that happens very rarely. But being prepared for it and using it to your advantage is the smartest thing you can do for your investment. Doing this will properly increase your investment's overall value as well as the rental rates. So to learn more about how to handle a vacancy or about property management in general, feel free to give us a call anytime. I'm Kyle Dwyer. Until next time.